Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today we are opening a lobster from the Lobster Guy. We are going to tell you if it is any good. We're going to show you what it's like. You stay with us. So this is what the box looked like when we got it. And all you have to do is take a knife and open the box, cut it down the middle, cut it on the sides, and then inside it comes with some information. This one was a gift, so it came with a thank you and a little card and some information, and then they tell you some information on how to cook lobsters so that in case you have never cooked a lobster, you know how. And it gives you a menu of some of the other items that they have available for you to buy. And here it is. Here's the cooking instructions. So let's see. Let's get the lobsters. Let's get the box. First, you gotta take a knife and get the edges of this because you have to still open this. Here you go. Now you see it comes with some newspaper and the lobsters are still cold. It comes with some of those packs, some ice packs, so that it stays very cold. And the lobsters are definitely cold. And once you get all that out, then you can actually see what the lobsters look like. That packaging is a foam package that was inside the box. And there we go. Now we're getting closer. There are the lobsters. Now we have 2 lobsters that were 2.5 to 3 pounds. And you can see them right there. That is what we got. And they were definitely both alive. Most of the time you really want to eat lobsters that were alive, although they send you a note saying that if they died, they had to have died very recently and that they were still good to cook. But I really don't like to eat lobster that is not alive. So I put the lobsters over here, one on the package and one on the side to show you what they look like. And let me tell you, they were active and they were yummy. But we'll get to that part of it. So if you've never cooked lobster, you need to first start off with boiling the water. I usually take the biggest pan I could find that fits the water, something that you would put maybe pasta or spaghetti in. And I put a little bit of salt and I do it that way. And then I do the lobsters. Now, since these lobsters were huge, I had to do 2 pots, and eventually I did get them both in the same pot. And here they are. Now, you want to cook them 10-15 minutes, maybe not quite that long, until they're this nice pinky red. Normally, by looking at it, you can tell it's ready. And then you want to take them out and put them on the plate and let them cool a little. Now, these lobsters were really delicious. This is some of the best lobster I have ever had. I heat up some butter and I dunk them in butter as I take this stuff apart. So I'm giving this place an A. I highly recommend the Lobster Guy. Thank you so much for watching. This is Rockin' Robin. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up.